Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update for Wednesday 25th of May. And right now at the moment this is like moving sideways ever since you actually broke out of a descending triangle. So I'm really gonna have to find more clues and where the direction of SLP is gonna be from this point. It's quite unclear at the moment. You never know what's about to happen. Now yesterday I did talk about the shooting star, and this still isn't, as a matter of fact, in play right now. So you're gonna have to be careful of that shooting star because it's not being invalidated. You're still not moving pushing the prices higher. You're not going to like the moon, the way people want SLP to move to the moon right now. Yep, you actually broke the descending triangle, broke it, and then you start to move to the upside. And a quick refresher is going to be that you really need to break the 649. When you break the 649, you potentially might want to cross this trend line, this resistance, hold it, and then you start to make an uptrend to the upside. If you're not doing something like that, then that's actually going to be a little bit difficult at this situation, at this point of time. But one thing I'm going to say though is that if I try to remove every single drawing right now, and let's take the trend line, and this trend line, guys, is going to be from there to there. So if I place this trend line, it's like you have lost the trend line. I'm going to show you this trend line right in a second, right over there. So what did you do, right? All you did is you moved sideways just a little bit, you broke to the upside, came down, and right now you are below this trend line right now because it's a valid one. And as a matter of fact, what happened is that you had this resistance right over here. You try to break it out, and now you came down and you're finding resistance once again, and who knows, you can start to roll over once again in the market, right? So one good idea is that if you would actually try to cross this resistance right over here and try to hold it, there's a good chance that you might start to move to the upside once again. Not only that, but there's one more thing that I just want to draw, and that's going to be the upper resistance of the wicks. So here we are, and you can see the prices are being pushed in this manner right now. So that's actually some resistance line. Maybe could be more visible in the 4-hour time frame. So let's look at that on a 4-hour time frame like this. So, yep, you're looking to make some sort of that upper resistance right over there. Now on the daily it's way more visible, but on the the 4-hour time frame it's not really that much visible for me to say anything right now. So it is what it is. Can you cross this level? Can you cross this 2 level? Then okay, because the negative effect is still there. The downward pressure is still there. You still never met this technical target. Okay, this is a technical target that is still pending out of the fib retracements. Okay, as long as you're not really crossing the 90s, you really need to cross the 90s to actually invalidate the drop to the downside over here. And that's it for today's update. It's going to be a quick one, kind of busy, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.